I've been asked to do a video on integration by substitution, so I'm just going to start out with just a very simple one with the integral of sine cubed x cos x dx. And in the question I'm letting you know that the substitution is equal to u is equal to sine x. So what I need to work out is I need to work out du by dx, and then that is going to be cos x, isn't it? Differential of sine x is cos x. And so now here I'm going to repeat this integral. So sine cubed x is basically sine x all cubed, that's what it means. So that is going to be the integral of u cubed, and then cos x dx. If I rearrange this over here, I can say du is equal to cos x dx, basically. Yeah, so cos x dx is equal to du. And so the integral now is just u cubed du. And that, of course, is going to be u to the 4 over 4. If I then substitute back in my value for u, this is going to be sine to the 4 of x. And I need my plus c, my constant of integration. So just to do another example, the integral of x into x squared plus 1 cubed dx, and I've given the substitution of let u equal x squared plus 1. So what I need to do is I need to work out what du by dx is. So that's going to be differentiate x squared, that's going to be 2x, differentiate 1, that's just going to become 0. And so du is equal to 2x dx. So if I go back to this equation here, my substitution is x squared plus 1, so clearly I have u cubed, because I have x squared plus 1 cubed. But here I don't have 2x dx, instead I've got x dx. So what I need to do is I need to convert this one to a half of du is equal to x dx. So I put my half in the front, and then I have my du, because I've got x dx. This together here makes du. So now I have my integral. I'm going to add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. So this becomes a half of u to the 4 divided by 4. And so this is u to the 4 over 8. And if I then substitute back in my my original substitution, u is equal to x squared plus 1, this now becomes x squared plus 1 all to the 4 divided by 8. And I just need my constant of integration. Okay, so now a new question. This time I've got 2x multiplied by the cos of x squared plus pi dx. And I've not been told the substitution. So the first thing to always start is, well, if we got something that looks like the differential of something else here. And so I'm saying that this 2x is the differential of x squared plus pi. So I'm going to say, let x squared plus pi equal u. This is not my substitution now. I'm making this bracket here my u, my substitution. So all I need to do is go du by dx. If I differentiate this, this just becomes 2x plus 0. Because I differentiate a constant, it becomes 0. And so du is equal to 2x dx. So now I have, very simply, the integral of cos of u, and then 2x dx is du. So now I just need to integrate the cos of u. So this is going to become the sine of u plus c. And if I then go back and substitute in, this is the sine of x squared plus pi. plus c. Nice and simple. I hope this helps. If you've got any further questions, please let me know.